Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you a recipe for your hair, which is the henna hair pack, which contains vitamin C and good for all hair types. If you want to know, please continue watching. For this hair pack, I'm using coffee powder 2 tablespoons. Coffee powder, when roasted in brown color, liberates that color into the water, which is added to the mehendi mix, which can color your hair. That contains antioxidant properties, which can strengthen the hair and impart a natural color for your or shine for your hair. The next is curry leaves, which contains vitamin C, vitamin B, proteins and antioxidants, which can promote healthy circulation of blood vessels in the scalp and promote hair growth and skin renewal and boost the overall health of your. I'm using a handful of the curry leaves. Next is kalongi oil, which contains minerals, vitamins and nutrients, which will provide nutrients to your hair and scalp and thus help in maintaining positive hair growth and reduce hair fall. It will make your hair long and strong. So the vitamin C content of this hair pack comes from the orange peels because it contains vitamin C and flavonoids. The antioxidant properties of the orange peel helps to fight free radicals, thereby reducing hair fall. You can use the orange peel of one orange, improves blood circulation and helps to reduce hair fall, thereby making your hair look voluminous. So to mix all this, I'm using henna, which also colors your hair and keeps your hair shinier. So to mix this, I'm using a glass bowl. I'm not using a metal bowl because of this vitamin C, which reacts with metal. Therefore, I'm using a glass bowl. You can also use a plastic bowl. And to mix it, I want to make a decoction. For that, I'll take a bowl, add 1 cup of water or 1 glass of water, and add all these ingredients which I've taken except for the kalongi oil. First, I'm adding few curry leaves and orange peel. If you don't have orange peel, fresh orange peel, you can also use orange peel powder, which is easy to make. I have a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. And coffee powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee powder. Allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. I could not record that boiling process. After boiling, cool it enough so that you can strain it, and you'll get at least 1 glass of this thick and strong decoction of the vitamin C solution, which is used to mix the mehendi or the henna. Add in small quantities and mix thoroughly. And this is the time you can add a little bit of kalongi oil. If you don't have kalongi oil, you can also use olive oil, but kalongi oil is best. Again, I have a video on how to make the kalongi oil at home. You can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of this. This will condition your hair, keep your hair healthy. If you have dry hair, this method of using oil in the hair pack helps a lot. So the next morning, you can see it has become a smooth paste. You can leave it for 8 hours to 24 hours before you can apply on your hair. Apply it evenly throughout your hair and allow it to dry for at least 1 to 2 hours, and shampoo it regularly as you would do to see your hair changes from rough and frizzy to very healthy hair. So try this hair pack and see how it works for you. This is good for all hair types, and if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this, please share, and thanks for watching.